right, that glue is set up, I think, enough to lay the bird on its side. And we're going to install the back leg. So we really want them running. So I put it in kind of like this, but I always turn them over to see, oops, I got them the wrong way already. See, the elbow should bend this way. And this tells me the angle at which I'm going to put the bird or the leg. And that looks pretty good. But see, that foot, you want it to be pushing off the ground and not pushing out to nowhere. So if I put it in like that, that should work. All right, so there it is, right along that way. So I'm just gonna do this on this side. Okay, that works. I'm gonna put some glue in there. This leg is much easier to install than the front. So I got it in there. And I put the glue on the actual leg for this side. Okay. Make sure you got your elbow bent in the right way. And I'm just going to put it in there like that. And then I'm going to take some of the batting beige and just cover it to hold it in place while the glue sticks. I'm going to make sure that it's turned the right way. You get time to move it even when you turn it over, because the glue won't set up that quickly. But most of the batting on this side to hold it into place. Sometimes you'll feel you poke it, so don't thrust your needle in there too hard. That looks pretty darn good. Let's turn them over and see how it looks. I think I have to move it. Well, say we'll turn him a little like this. And there he is. He needs a haircut. I want him to stay like this, so I'm going to put him like this. Oops, don't use that one. That's your pull your out needle. And that. And he'll stay like that while he dries. And that's it.